Topic for today's technical presentation is advanced construction material. Though we engineers are not dealing with these materials on daily basis, but we should know what advancement we have achieved in the field of construction. That is why this topic is very much relevant. Need of the hour. Construction industry is the major source of environmental pollution, and it is our moral duty to save the environment for our next generations. So, there is a need of hour to invent advanced building material which are low in maintenance, automated, flexible, should have health improving features and should save the environment. Technology plus building material has given energy efficient buildings which sustains the environment also. We will be discussing in all 13 advanced materials. The first one and the most useful one is carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is extremely strong light-weighted material which is approximately 5 to 6 times stronger than steel. Hence, this material has carved its niche not only in construction industry but for badminton rackets, cycling, any product, any equipment where the weight is a concern. Carbon fiber is made up of the carbon strands that are thinner than human hair. These strands can be woven together like cloth and then can be molded to any shape. In addition, being strong, carbon fiber is also flexible. Hence, it can go for any shape in construction projects. These are the photographs of fiber, cloth and laminates of the carbon fiber. Then here comes the translucent concrete. Translucent concrete is the regular concrete which is mixed with glass fiber optical strands which allow to transfer the light from one end to another. It is also known as Litracon. As you can see from the pics that these are quite translucent and enhance the ventilation of the building. Translucent wood. In the production process of translucent wood, lignin, which is a natural complex polymer of wood, is replaced by polymer which gives it translucent properties. It has a better insulation properties. It is not brittle like a glass. It is stronger than a glass. It is biodegradable than plastics. It is effective material for the surface of solar cells also. Sensitile. Sensitile are the regular terrazzo tiles which are embedded with fibro-optic channels. When the room is lighted, these optical wires are charged and whenever anyone keeps the foot on them, then the light source is obstructed, then the light of this tile is also off. So, whenever you walk through such floors, this gives the twinkling effect and good aesthetics. Rich light. Rich light is a very environmental friendly product. The raw material for this rich light is pulp which is obtained from recycled paper. This is treated with chemicals and polymers and then heated to give us a strong stain resistant, waterproof, scratch proof and heat resistant product. This rich light can very well be used in countertops and modular kitchens. With the introduction of pigments, it can be made in any color as per user requirement. Liquid granite. Liquid granite gives us the appearance of the granite once it is set. However, this is a paste mortar which comes up in the boxes and comprises of 30 to 70% material from the main base products of the industry. Once set, it gives us the appearance of the granite. The consumption of cement in this liquid granite is only 1/3 of what is required if the recycled material is not introduced. Hence, it has less carbon footprint. It can withstand the temperatures up to 1100 degrees and this has been used in London Olympic buildings also. Bendable concrete. As we all are aware that the tensile properties of concrete is very nominal. In this concrete, we introduce tiny fibers which account for only 2% of the mass of the cement, but these fibers enhance the tensile properties of the concrete very much. The strain capacity of the normal concrete is 0.01%, but bendable concrete is 7%. Hence, it is 700 times more in tensile strength than the normal concrete. You can get any curved shape through this bendable concrete. Concrete canvas. In the layman terms, we can say a towel dipped in a cement hardened, when it hardens up, it takes some shape. So this is the advanced version of this product. Now concrete canvas is a flexible cement impregnated fabric that hardens on hydration to form a thin, durable, waterproof and fireproof concrete layer. Once hydrated, concrete canvas can take any shape and can be used for any lining purpose. Low E glass films. Low E glass film is basically metal oxide coatings which has a property to allow only visible lights to pass through and enter the room and restrict the infrared and UV rays to pass through. Hence, the heat inside the room will remain inside and heat outside the room will remain outside, which will reduce the heat loads of the building. Paper insulation. Paper insulation is nothing but the recycled newspapers and cardboard. It can be made both insect resistant and fire resistant by addition of few of the chemicals like borax, boric powder and calcium carbonate, and these can be used to fill in the cavity walls and gives a proper insulation. The puff insulations, glass wool or mineral wool are chemically not advised, hence can be cut down. Unfired clay bricks. Unfired clay bricks are eco-friendly because they don't need energy in their manufacturing process, hence less carbon footprint. Unfired bricks are created using earth materials and are air dried instead of fires. The examples are fly ash bricks, this red clay bricks which are made. In India, we use these bricks widely. These red clay bricks are used in Matheran area of Maharashtra and fly ash bricks are used across India. Solar panel roofing tiles. Rooftop solar systems to provide the energy source to the accommodation. However, this requires the solar panel and the framework to be installed on roof, amounting to additional weight. However, engineers have done their part by impregnating the solar panels on the roof tiles itself. So the tiles are fitted, the solar panels will automatically come on your roof, and this will transform the sun's energy into usable energy for your houses. Self-healing concrete or bacteria concrete. This is a very interesting kind of concrete which engineers should know. In this, the cement concrete is mixed with microcapsules which are filled with epoxy resins. Now whenever the cracks comes, these capsules break off, this epoxy resin will come out and fill the crack which has happened. So it is self-healing. However, this self-healing can also be done through bacteria, in which inside the capsule bacteria is filled with calcium lactate. On happening of the crack, these capsules break up and bacteria on reacting with calcium lactate will give Ca+, which on reaction with CO2 and oxygen forms calcium carbonate, and this calcium carbonate fills up all the cracks which have come in the concrete. We engineers can say there is nothing wrong in development. It's wrong if it is done at the cost of the environment. Thank you.